Hello, my name is Suracupt. I am an image consultant based in Thailand. I am passionate about helping people look and feel their best. And I believe that image is an important part of personal and professional success. I improve their appearance, communication skills, and overall confidence. I specialize in color analysis, stylings, and personal branding. I am always looking for new ways to learn and grow. And I am committed to providing my clients with the best possible service. I believe that everyone deserves to feel good about themselves. And IITTI has provided me with valuable knowledge. I feel more confident and I believe that I have the potential to be more successful in my career. Thank you.